Jai Jagannath. Welcome to LCC. Okay. Today we will discuss the statistics. Okay. Write down statistics. Statistics. Okay. Acha. In statistics, there are so many methods. Number one, quartile. In quartile, there are two methods. Okay. Number one is the Q1. Number two is the Q3. Okay. Now we will discuss Q1. Okay. In every method, there are three series are there. Number one, individual series. Number two, discrete series. Number three, continuous series. Okay. In individual series, only variables are there, and in discrete series, only variable as well as the frequency are there, and in continuous series, there is a variable as well as frequency, but the variables are in a continuous form. That's why it is called continuous series. Okay. Acha. The Q1 first. Number one, Q1. Next, individual series. Individual series. Write down individual series. Q1 individual series. Okay. Acha. X 5 3 2 6 4 9 8. Okay. Here are the variables. Okay. Now you have to find out Q1. Okay. Q1. Then at first you have to ascending the numbers. You have to arranging the ascending number. Okay. You have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order form. Okay. Ascending matlab 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Arranged in the ascending order form. Next, put the formula. Next, write here Q1 equal to size of n plus 1 by 4th item. Okay. Size of n plus 1 by 4th item. Acha. How many quarters in the year? 4. There are 4 quarters in a year. That's why it is divided by 4. Okay. But in the case of individual series, n equal to number of items are there. How many number of items are there? 3, 6, 7. That's why here n equal to 7. Clear? That's why the answer will be size of that is equal to n equal to 7 plus 1 by 4th item. That is equal to size of 7 plus 1, 8 by 4, how much? 2. That is equal to second item lies with how much? 1, 2. That is equal to second item. Therefore, second item lies with 3. Therefore, Q1 equal to 3. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Write down. Copy it. Okay. Q1 completed. Individual series completed. Next, write down another question. Calculate Q1. X equal to, write down very fast. X equal to 5, 7, 8, 10, 9, 6, 43. Compute Q1. What is the answer? Then at first you have to rearrange the numbers in the ascending order. Okay. Write down in the ascending order how much? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 43. Acha. Answer 6. Okay. You have to write Q1 equal to size of n plus 1 by 4th item, that is equal to size of n equal to how much? 7. 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1 by 4th item, that is equal to size of 8 by 4th item, that is equal to size of second item lies with how much? 6. Okay, this is the Q1. Therefore Q1 equal to 6. Any doubt on it? Acha. Now discrete series. Now write down discrete series. Number B, discrete series of which method? Q1. Okay, discrete series. Okay, discrete series, whenever you have to find the Q1 from the discrete series, there are two columns. What are these? Variable as well as frequency. Write down X and F, that is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. F equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you have to find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Okay. Cumulative frequency, that is called to CF. Okay. That is the 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 4, 10, 10, 5, 15. Here n equal to 15. But in case of individual series, n equal to number of item, whereas in case of discrete series, n equal to total frequency. Achha. There is another easy method to calculate the n. That means here the last digit of the cumulative frequency must be equal to the total frequency. Clear? That means here 15 and here also 15. Achha. That means n equal to 15. Now write the formula. Q1 equal to, what is the formula? Size of n plus 1 by 4th item. Next write down size of n equal to 15 plus 1 by 4th item. Next size of 15 plus 1, 16 by 4th item. Next size of 16 by 4, how much? 4th item. 4th item lies with, here see the cumulative frequency line. In 1, is there any 4? No. In 3? No. In 6, there is available of 4. That's why Q1. Size of 4th item lies with 6. Okay. Therefore Q1 equal to 30. The immediate effect. Okay. 6 यहाँ पर है, उसके सीधा में जो है नंबर वेरिएबल के कलम के वो होगा Q1. Clear? अच्छा, तो that's why size of 4th item lies with 6 and here 6 से सीधा क्या है 30. Therefore Q1 equal to 30. Clear? Write down. Copied? Okay. Write down another question. Calculate Q1. X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. F equal to 6, 4, 5, 3, 9. What is the Q1? Compute first. How much? Very good. See here, you have to find out the cumulative frequency. 6 for 10, 10, 5, 15, 15, 3, 18, 18, 9, 27. That's why n equal to 27. Now Q1 equal to size of n plus 1 by 4th item. That's why size of n equal to how much? 27 plus 1. How much? 28. 28 by 4. 7. Seventh item lies with here. You have to watch the cumulative frequency line. Then in 6, is there any 7? No. In 10, it is 7. That's why 10 के सीधा के हिसाब से जो होगा वेरिएबल के लाइन से क्या है 20. That's why Q1 equal to 20. Is there any doubt? Next, then write down continuous series. Number C, continuous series. Okay, here x equal to 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. F equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here you have to also calculate the cumulative frequency. Then tell me what is the cumulative frequency? 2, 3, 5, 9, 14, 6, how much? 20. N equal to 20. Is there any doubt? Achha. Then here Q1 shall be Q1 how much? Size of क्या होगा यहाँ पर? Size of क्या? हाँ वेरी गुड. साइज ऑफ n बाई फोर्थ आइटम. यहाँ पर +1 नहीं होगा, कंटिन्यूस सीरीज में +1 नहीं होगा, तो दैट्स वाई साइज ऑफ n बाई फोर्थ आइटम. ओके, दैट्स वाई साइज ऑफ n इक्वल टू 20 बाई फोर्थ आइटम. दैट इज इक्वल टू साइज ऑफ 20 बाई 4 हाउ मच? फिफ्थ आइटम. Fifth item lies with here. Yes. Fifth item lies with how much? Lies with 5. Fifth item 2 के अंदर नहीं है 5, 5 के अंदर है 5, तो 5 के सीधा क्या होगा 20 to 40. Fifth item lies with 5. ओके, अच्छा यहाँ पर सीधा सीधा Q1 क्या होगा 20 to 40 होगा. एक आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए और एक दूसरा वाला फार्मूला होगा. क्या होगा? देयरफॉर Q1 इक्वल टू L1 प्लस L2 माइनस L1 बाई F इंटू स्मॉल q1 माइनस C, वेयर लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. L1 इक्वल टू 20. द फर्स्ट L1 इक्वल टू हाउ मच 20. L2 इक्वल टू हाउ मच 40. F इक्वल टू हाउ मच 3. C इक्वल टू हाउ मच 5 के ऊपर क्या होगा C, ये हो गया C क्या 2. स्मॉल q1 इक्वल टू ये वाला या ये वाला. शायद अगर ऐसा होता कि थर्ड आइटम लाइस विथ 5, तो यहाँ पर क्या होता 3 होता या 5 होता 3 होता. समझ में आ रहा है? अच्छा देखो अच्छे से समझो, फिर मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ साइज ऑफ ये वाला नंबर होगा स्मॉल q1, ये वाला कभी भी नहीं होगा. ओके, q1 इक्वल टू हाउ मच 5. नाउ पुट द फॉर्मूला, दैट इज द 20 प्लस 40 माइनस 20 बाई 3 इंटू स्मॉल q1 5 माइनस 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू 20 प्लस 20 बाई 3 इंटू 3, 3 get cancel, 40 is the answer. That's why q1 equal to 40. The answer must be 20 to 40, and here also answer the 40. That's it, is correct. Clear? Any doubt on it? Compute another question. Write down another question. Calculate q3. Write down. Calculate q3 from the following information. x इक्वल टू नीचे नीचे लिखो. x इक्वल टू 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200. f इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4. Calculate very fast. Very fast, within 1 minute. How much? Size of n by fourth item 2.5. 2.5 lies with 3 and 3 के आगे क्या है 50 to 100. That's why L1 equal to 50, L2 equal to 100, F equal to 2, C equal to 1. Okay, now put the formula. You have to write with like this. Okay, you have to write proper manner and proper format. That only it will be correct. Yes, how much? Put the formula. L1 equal to 50, L2 equal to 100, L1 plus L2 minus L1 by F into small q1 minus C. That's why 50 plus 50 by 2 into 1.5. into 1.5, how much? 75. 75 by 2. How much? 37.5. ये 50. How much? 87.5. Yes? अच्छा, फिर क्या होगा? ये हो गया Q1. Q3 का क्या होगा? इंडिविजुअल सीरीज में ये होगा साइज ऑफ Q1 में क्या हो रहा था? साइज ऑफ n प्लस 1 बाई फोर्थ आइटम. Q3 का क्या होगा? साइज ऑफ 3 इंटू n प्लस 1 बाई फोर्थ आइटम. बाकी सब इक्वल. डिस्क्रीट में सेम साइज ऑफ 3 इंटू n प्लस 1 बाई फोर्थ आइटम. कंटिन्यूस में ऐसे होगा साइज ऑफ 3 इंटू n बाई फोर्थ आइटम. फिर 3 इंटू 5 दैट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 15th आइटम. 15th आइटम लाइज विथ हाउ मच? 20th. तो यहाँ पर होगा 20. क्लियर? अच्छा, फिर ये हो गया L1, ये हो गया L2. लिखो L1 हाउ मच? 80, L2 100, C 14, C equal to 14, F equal to 6, small q1 equal to 15. Okay, now put the formula. That is equal to Q3 equal to that is equal to 80 plus 100 minus 80 by 6 into 15 minus 14. That is equal to 80 plus 20 by 6 into 1. That is equal to 80 plus 6 3 is 18 20, 6 3 is 3 is. That is equal to 3.33, 83.33. Here answer is the 80 to 100. Here Q3 also 83.33. Now today Q1 and Q3 completed. In the next class we will discuss the later thing. Okay, thank you all.